Hi folks, welcome back to Jim's Raised Bed Garden. Just a short video this week, more of a question really. Got some space in my raised bed and I fancy planting some seeds. What do you think? Anyway, I'll show you what I'm going to plant. This is what I'm going to plant out in September. Right folks, got a bit of extra space. It's my potato bed really, but as I empty the bed with my potatoes, I thought why not try planting out some more seeds. Admittedly I'm about 2 weeks behind. I do watch other YouTube channels and there's a few people trying to plant out seeds now, so I'm going to have a go. I've got 6 lines marked out there, but I think a bit more beetroot, carrots, rocket, some wild rocket, and I'm thinking of trying some dwarf French beans, just one line, just to see. I've been really impressed with me French beans. I'm hooked. So if you think I'm mad, just let us know in the comments. Really appreciate it. But like I keep saying, nothing ventured, nothing gained, and we'll see if we can get some, particularly beetroot. I'm so disappointed with me beetroot. It's absolutely, although it doesn't look too bad up in that corner there. I think I've only got about 5 beetroot there, and when I keep checking on them, there's more greenery than there is actual beetroot. But never mind, we'll give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you think I'm crazy, I'll take it. Thanking you. Right folks, I just thought I'd show you my addiction. My dwarf French beans, slenderette. Really impressed with them. I've been doing regular picks, but they're small at the minute. I've been picking about once a week. Got some fair sizes in there. Just need to keep the slugs away. I've noticed 1 or 2 starting to appear with a bit of rain. But that's why I decided to plant some more. I'm not sure if it'll be too late. Nothing to lose, is there? But well worth it. The flavour on them are absolutely lovely. Right folks, brought you back. Show you me peppers. Absolutely chuffed with these. Absolutely lovely, but pure green. There's no space at all there, and still a few flowers. So I think I'll persevere with my greenhouse, as long as I can, of course. The wind stops, but it's backwards and forwards all the time. It's only supposed to be a breeze, but constantly checking me sandbags. Never mind, the rewards are great. Happy days. Finally folks, if you're watching Linda, Feel Good Garden, finally got me sunflower. Happy days. Plenty of others on here, so I think I counted about 11 or 12 buds. So 1st of September tomorrow. Crazy, isn't it? But I think it's lovely. I'm over the moon. Right guys, got you back. Apologies for some children playing in the garden at the back, but this won't be long. Just to show you that I've planted out 6 rows of seeds. I have my slenderette, Then I've had to go over basil because I thought I had rocket and I didn't. Good planning, Jim. I've got 2 lines of beetroot, a line of lettuce, and then some early 90s carrots. Now whether this works or not I don't know, but hopefully in the not too distant future I'll have the rest of these cara pulled up, so that'll leave some more space. So if you have any suggestions, all I was thinking of was maybe swede, but I've already got plenty of that in the freezer. So plenty of seeds sown, and that was the whole point of this video really. Is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? Time will tell, yeah. Finally, before I finish off, I'll just show you me tomatoes, and I'm thinking of pulling these. They're quite big and they're going red, but this fella was absolutely devoured. I've got a couple up here where they've got marks on. This one definitely I think is just with the wind hitting it off the wood, but that one I'm not so sure. So I think it's time to pull these, maybe freeze them, and hopefully when my basil comes through, if it comes through, I'll have some nice soup. Here's hoping. Anyway folks, thanks for watching, thanks for liking hopefully, and subscribing. But the comments, it's the comments I keep seeing that keep me going. Really appreciate everybody's efforts. Keep me on the right road. And anyway, hopefully see you all in the next one. Cheers for now.